In today's world, many people care about the environment and want to support companies that do too. This has led to a rise in eco-friendly products and sustainable practices. However, not all companies are honest about their green claims. Some engage in greenwashing, where they make false or exaggerated claims about how environmentally friendly their products or practices are. In this video, we will help you understand greenwashing and how to identify it, so you can make informed choices and support truly sustainable businesses. Subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's get started. Understanding greenwashing. Greenwashing is a sneaky trick used by companies when they claim their products are good for the environment, but they might not be honest about it. They use words like green or eco-friendly without showing any proof. This can confuse people who want to buy things that are good for the environment. They trust these companies because of what they say, but it turns out they might not be telling the whole truth. This can make it difficult for people who care about the environment to make the right choices when they're shopping. They want to support companies that are doing good things, but it's hard to know who to trust when some companies are being tricky with their words. Companies use tricky words. Sometimes, companies use words that sound nice, like natural or green, but these words don't always tell the whole story. They can be vague and not give us enough details about how the product helps the environment. When we see these words on products, it's essential to dig deeper and find out what they truly mean. Just because something is labeled as natural doesn't mean it's automatically good for the environment. By looking beyond the surface, we can make more informed decisions about the things we buy and support companies that are genuinely committed to protecting the environment. Certifications matter. Certifications are like stamps of approval given by trusted organizations, indicating that a product or company has met specific environmental standards. These certifications help us know that the claims made about being eco-friendly are true and verified by experts. When we shop for products, it's important to look for certifications from well-known groups, such as USDA Organic or Energy Star. These groups have strict guidelines and thorough testing to ensure the products they certify are genuinely good for the environment. By checking for these certifications, we can feel more confident that the products we buy are truly eco-friendly and not just using green claims as a marketing tactic. Spotting greenwashing tactics. Sometimes, companies try to make their products seem more environmentally friendly by using pictures of nature or making claims that might not be entirely accurate. They might highlight one small thing, like saying a product is BPA-free, even if that product never had BPA in the first place. This can make it seem like the product is better for the environment than it is. It's essential to be cautious and check if their claims add up. Just because something sounds good doesn't mean it's true. By being skeptical and doing a little research, we can make sure we're not being fooled by these misleading tactics and make more informed decisions about the products we buy. Research companies. If you're unsure whether a company is genuinely committed to being green, it's a good idea to do some investigating. Start by visiting their website and see if they provide any information about how they make their products. Look for details about their environmental efforts and any reports they might have published. A company that truly cares about being green will likely be open and transparent about its practices. They might share information about their sustainability initiatives, such as using renewable energy or reducing waste. By taking the time to do a little research, you can get a better understanding of whether a company is genuinely dedicated to protecting the environment or if they're just using green claims as a marketing strategy. Choosing truly sustainable products. When you're shopping, it's a good idea to choose products that are good for the environment through their life cycle. This means looking for items that are made with eco-friendly materials, have minimal packaging that can be recycled, and are designed to be reused or repurposed after you're done with them. Supporting these kinds of products sends a message to companies that there's a demand for eco-friendly options. It encourages more companies to think about their environmental impact and make changes to be more eco-friendly themselves. Misleading claims. It's common to see cleaning products claiming to be all natural, yet they can still contain chemicals that harm the environment. Similarly, fast fashion brands often promote sustainable collections, but their overall environmental footprint remains substantial due to factors like resource-intensive production and waste generation. By looking beyond the surface claims and delving into how products are made and their full impact on the planet, we can make more informed decisions. This approach encourages companies to adopt genuinely sustainable practices rather than just using green marketing tactics to attract environmentally aware consumers. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Green Life Guide to stay updated with the latest content. You can also send your queries on our Instagram page, Green Life Guide Official. Thanks for watching.